I have the Samsung Galaxy A14 and I'll be showing you how to delete an alarm on this phone. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and look for the clock app and tap on it and make sure alarm is selected, and here you'll see a list of all the alarms on your phone. Okay, so we have this one which is turned off. Now instead of deleting an alarm, you can actually turn off a specific alarm. Okay, but if you want to completely delete an alarm, simply long press on the alarm and then tap on delete. If you want to select multiple, then just go selecting all the alarms you want to delete, or you can just tap on all to select all the alarms on your phone and then hit the delete button, and that's going to delete an alarm or alarms from the clock app on your Samsung Galaxy A14. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.